Kimberly from SavvyMamaLifestyle.com, and today we're making a cowboy pasta salad. I don't know about you, but I love a good cold pasta salad during the summer months when it's hot. It makes a great side dish, or you can prepare it for lunches during the week. So this pasta salad is a little bit unique because instead of chicken, we're gonna use ground beef. We're gonna make a creamy barbecue based sauce. It's got cherry tomatoes, corn. I used a cellentani pasta. You could use a wagon wheel pasta if you want those cowboy vibes, and crumbled bacon. It's gonna be an amazing pasta salad that you're gonna love for summer months, and so let's get to it.
Here's your full ingredient list. You can take a screenshot, or the full recipe is linked below in the video description. Start by cooking your pasta until al dente according to package instructions and set aside to cool completely. Next, you're going to make your ground beef, and you're going to add your cumin, red pepper flake, salt, and pepper. In medium skillet on medium high, cook until it's no longer pink. Set aside and let it cool as well. I place both in the refrigerator. What makes this pasta so delicious is this creamy barbecue sauce, and it starts with 1 cup of mayo in a medium-sized bowl. You're gonna add your barbecue sauce to it. I'll be honest, I love Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce, and you can buy it in the bottles now, so that's what I used, but you can make a homemade barbecue sauce, go with something sweeter or hickory. Next, you're gonna add your spicy brown mustard, your chili sauce, which it's sriracha sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Of course, if you like a creamier pasta salad, you can double this dressing recipe and add it to the same amount of pasta, and it's going to be twice as creamy. I love this pasta salad because the longer it sits in the fridge, the more the flavors kind of meld together and it tastes even better. I like it cold and refrigerated, and then all the flavors just kind of soak up into the pasta. Once you've added all of your dressing ingredients, go ahead and whisk until well combined. I love this cowboy pasta salad recipe for potlucks. It makes about 12 to 16 servings depending on the serving size, and you're going to serve a crowd. It's perfect for potlucks or larger barbecues, any summer gathering or special occasion. Next, we're going to put the entire cowboy pasta salad together. In a large, very extra large bowl, you're going to add the salad dressing over the cooked pasta. And I use a spatula to make sure get every last little bit. Now, don't make the mistake of having too small of a bowl. You can see I switched bowls in the middle of filming because mine was too small. It adds up very quickly. Next, we're going to add our cooked and crumbled bacon, making sure it's extra crispy, plus our sweet kernel corn. You want to make sure you're buying the canned corn and draining all of the liquid out of the corn before adding it. Next up is our sharp cheddar cheese. I save time and use packaged cheese. If you have time to grate cheese, good on you, go for it. I think it tastes a little bit better than the packaged stuff. Here is where I magically change bowls. You really need a big bowl. Next, you're gonna add your 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and those are halved. Plus, last but not least, your ground beef that's seasoned, of course, and cooled. Add it on top. Then grab your mixing spoon and just go ahead and mix it until it's all really well combined. Give it a good stir. Let the flavors come together in the refrigerator. So after it's well combined, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving. And then you can transfer it to whatever fancy serving bowl you want. After you're done serving, you want to keep it in the refrigerator and keep it over ice if you're serving it outside, since it is a mayonnaise-based dressing. For best freshness, enjoy it within 5 to 6 days after making it. Of course, you want to add a little bit of color and garnish on top, so wash some green onions, scallions, and chop them up with your scissors over the pasta. It just adds this beautiful green color. And that's it. That's your cowboy pasta salad. Let's talk a little bit about recipe variations. If you wanted to go with a chicken version, I like the idea of doing a shredded chicken and adding shredded chicken to this recipe. If you're looking for more crunch, using a red onion, that will give it that nice purple purple color along with the green scallions. Love that idea too. Like I said, if you want it creamier, just double the dressing. And those are the recipe variations that I would try. If you have any cowboy pasta salad recipe questions, leave them below in the comments. And once again, you can find the full recipe linked in the video description. Hit that subscribe button if you love easy family recipes and family travel content. I'm either in the kitchen or traveling with my kids. My full recipe collection is at savvymamalifestyle.com.